Use heavy-duty airtight containers as your first line of defense against pantry infestations and rodent access. Choose thick polycarbonate storage bins with snap-lock lids for large bulk items because they resist gnawing and maintain a tight seal. Make sure lids compress evenly by cleaning lid grooves and tightening clamps after each use. For smaller dry goods, use glass jars with metal clamp lids and silicone gaskets since they create a visible, reliable seal and will not absorb odors. Label each jar with contents and a use-by date to support rotation. Steel cans with gasketed lids are ideal for long-term storage of flours and grains because rodents cannot chew through them and the gasket maintains an air barrier. Buy cans sized to your typical use so you are not repeatedly opening large containers. Vacuum-sealed food bags work well for reducing oxygen and extending shelf life for irregularly shaped items. Use a vacuum sealer to remove air fully, and then store those bags inside a rigid bin for bite protection. Keep your pantry stock small and rotate it frequently so nothing sits for more than 3 months, which lowers the chance that pests will find a breeding site. Inspect seals monthly by pressing lids and listening for air movement, and replace any gasket or clamp showing wear to preserve long-term protection. Common mistakes include relying on thin plastic tubs that rodents can chew through, so upgrade to polycarbonate or steel and place those inside a locked cabinet if needed. Another issue is storing bulk goods in large, infrequently opened containers, which invites infestation over time, so portion into smaller sealed containers and label with dates to force rotation. A third problem is assuming vacuum sealing alone prevents rodent access. Always combine vacuum bags with a rigid, rodent-resistant outer container and check seals regularly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors focused on home protection projects and lets contractors list their services to find new work. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical tips on pest proofing and airtight storage methods.